In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Clickup, whether it be individual tasks, entire lists, or even doc pages. Printing from Clickup is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each method so you can easily take your work from the screen to paper whenever you need. Let's start with how to print individual tasks from Clickup. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific task that you need to print. Once you're there, you'll notice an ellipsis, or three dots, icon located in the top right corner of the task view. Clicking on these three dots reveals a drop-down menu, and from here, you should select the Print option. At this point, your browser's print dialog will open up. This is where you can select your preferred printer, adjust any settings such as the number of copies you'd like, and preview how your task will appear when it's finally printed. This method gives you the flexibility to customize your printout, ensuring it meets your exact needs. Next, let's move on to printing lists and views. This could be a list, board, calendar, table, or any activity view that you wish to print. Begin by navigating to the view you are interested in printing. Once you have your view open, you can utilize your browser's print function. If you're using a Mac, press CMD+P, and if you're on a Windows system, you'll use Ctrl+P. These shortcuts will open the print dialog box, similar to what we saw when printing individual tasks. Now, it's crucial to ensure all tasks or items in your list are loaded before you commence printing. For list views, you'll need to scroll all the way to the bottom to make sure every task is visible and can be included in your printout. This step helps ensure that nothing gets left out and you have a complete print of your views. Lastly, let's look at how to print doc pages. Navigate to the Clickup doc you wish to print. Once you've opened your document, look for the Exports and Imports settings. Within this section, you'll find the Print option. Clicking this will again prompt your browser's print dialog to appear, allowing you to customize your print settings to your liking. Here, you can decide on various aspects such as paper orientation and quality to ensure that your document prints exactly how you want it. By following these steps, you'll easily be able to print different components from Clickup. Whether it's a specific task, a comprehensive list, or important doc pages, you've got the tools at your fingertips to make this process smooth and efficient. That's all there is to it, and you'll be well on your way to creating physical copies of your work right from Clickup.